Hello, Cloud Monks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sachin Singh, and I'm having 13 plus years of experience in IT industry, where I worked as a developer, cloud, and DevOps engineer. So currently, I'm working in one of the US-based organization as a lead DevOps engineer, right? So before my professional career I started in 2011, I was teaching programming languages like C, C++, data structure, Java, Python. So as a freelancer on a different platform, online and offline. And that is the reason why I started this YouTube channel. So I am here to share my knowledge and expertise with each of you on DevOps, cloud, and automation with multiple scripting languages like Python, shell scripting, and PowerShell. I want to impact and help the whole community of engineers in their professional life so that they can achieve their desired goals. I hope you would like my work, and if I help inspire you anyway, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on different social platform for more interactions. Thank you. A cloud monk, Sachin.